What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Lil So back here again for another video. Today we got a video uploaded by smoothgio. This one is sneezing on people in the hood, social experiment. I've seen one of his videos where he done something like this before. You know what I'm saying? These social experiments, and he go out and like sneeze on people. I think one of them he did in like a barber shop or something. I remember watching that one a while back. It was absolutely hilarious. So anyways, I've been aware of smoothgio for a while. You know what I'm saying? Seen his content, his smash and pass, face to face, and all this other kind of stuff he used to do in the past, and sometimes some of the stuff he still kind of does now, here and there. So I mess with smoothgio. We about to check this out. Before we get into it, y'all let me know down below in the comments how was your day. Hopefully it's pretty good, but if it wasn't, hopefully this makes it just a little bit better. If you haven't already, can tell by the trend today, I'm testing out different types of videos and content, you know what I'm saying, seeing what it is y'all like, what it is y'all mess with. I know I've been off, I've been kind of gone. Hopefully I didn't move the camera just then. But I've been off. I've been kind of gone the last couple days or so because I've been working 2 jobs, man. You know what I'm saying? So it's like I got to find the balance. So I got some time to myself within this next week. So I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying, figure out my audience and figure out what it is we're going for. Because we on the road to 1,000 subscribers, man. Summertime is about to be lit, man. So if you haven't already, subscribe. It's about to be lit. 1K is where we're at, or we're trying to be at. You know what I'm saying? Relatively soon, as quick as possible. Let's get it, man. Let's go. Let's get it, man. Hopefully your day was pretty good. If it wasn't, hopefully this makes it better. Got this black dot on the screen. What is that, man? Is that a smudge? What is going on? Is that my laptop? Nah, it ain't me. I like the fit on the model. Hey, man, not Gio, I couldn't wear that. Come on, man. Oh man. Rona, you know, they stopped wearing masks everywhere for the most part. Sneezing at people, got you. Look at him. Man's cameraman trying to hide.
What the fuck?
He just put that joint in his pants. Hey. like. Yeah, he sound like a Florida nigga.
Come on, bro.
Boy.
You gotta leave this note, bro. You can't shot here, boy.
Boy.
Hell no, boy. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead, go ahead.
Low key, I thought about like, yo, like low key, I want to kind of like, I need a group though. Like, I want to like low key like do like little social experiments type pranks. You know what I'm saying? Where I live at, you know what I'm saying? Certain like places where people be at for real. You know what I'm saying? I've been thinking about it for a little minute, but me and the friend, actually, I got a homie. He thinking about it right now. So it's like we just gotta set some stuff up, man. Cause I think I like interacting with people. Like, I ain't gonna get into my whole backstory and stuff, but I like more nowadays. I kind of like interacting with people a little bit, learning about stuff, you know. So this could be fun. Let me know if y'all want to see some stuff like that, man.
It's just a virus,
like just a virus? Hell nah. Hey, let me know if y'all got a strong immune system, man. I've been going through this whole last 2 years or so now. You know what I'm saying? This whole corona stuff. I ain't caught it not once. Don't plan to. Don't want to jinx myself. So. I've been prayed up, man, and I also been, you know, immune system up. I take my vitamin C a couple times a week, you know what I'm saying? Take some other stuff. Like, I'm trying to stay strong, man, stay healthy. Y'all boys stay healthy out here, man.
Oh, man. Hold on, let me just...
He's about to... 5 hours before? I got yo, my sibling, they sneeze just like that. Like this bat. They got bad allergies though. Oh, okay, I was like, it's a skit? Oh, is that random?
Back with another video, man. Hold on, before the video start, I want to say I kind of do got a little eye booger in my eye. But y'all spare me, y'all know I'm clean.
That thing huge. God damn.
Got another hood video. Oh yeah, I'm with my boy Pompano Randy.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's move.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's time to crank up again. It's time to crank up again.
All right, Lulu, we about to skip all this. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's a long video, bro. It's a long video, bro. And I got, no, no. Yo, he got the wicks in too, man. Chasing that this nigga. Said tighten up. Tighten up, nigga.
What I did?
Freak. Hey, that's a dope shirt. I ain't never seen that before. Oh. He's like, I got allergies.
I got allergies.
Ain't gonna get popped, man. You better chill. Little kid out here chilling. I thought so. I was like, that's a girl going down the steps, right? I ain't see him sneeze on him.
I kind of got.
I just called.
I kind of got corona and shit like that.
I would have turned around. Boop, boop, boop. I would have had to hit him with it. He chasing after me.
You might have it.
I ain't got it.
You do now.
Hey, you better chill, bro. For the time. You laughing and shit? You gonna sneeze on this nigga too?
The cure for corona.
Oh. Long you black, don't worry about it.
That Absol in the background?
You said as long as you what? You know the little virus that going around?
I guess. Maybe that's wild, man.
You got 50? Yeah, I need change. That's your dog over there?
Yeah, but I'm a dog. You know, you on my fucking shit, man.
You gotta tell that boy get off that.
Aw, snap.
Man, come on, bro. Coronavirus out here, man.
No, hold on. My bad. No, I got the sniffles and shit.
What?
Like,
He got
no, I got allergies and shit.
Hey, he nice though, cause like he said, "Come on, man." You know, he had the money out and everything. He went back to chill and like counting stuff out. You know what I'm saying? Help him out real quick. Hey, crazy. And then he about to take advantage of this nigga. Start sneezing on him.
Hey, man. Bro, come on, man. What you doing? The fuck that was, bro? You just sneezed on me, man. You tripping, fam? It's coronavirus.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Oh.
And tell him it's a prank, bro. He looked like he was a genuine, decent, okay dude, kinda. This nigga doing behind the trash can? What's that sound? Oh man.
What you mean?
What you got going on?
Oh, I was about to say, yeah, he about to go. Crit. Nigga threw a stick at him, bro.
Corona.
Threw a stick at him.
I ain't got no disease.
Yo.
But I got corona.
I ain't never been in public and I felt he about to chase this again. I ain't never been in public and felt like somebody like sneezed on me. I don't think for real, coughed or sneezed. Nah, I can't. Somebody coughed on me once, but I don't think nobody ever sneezed on me before for real. He chasing this nigga. I would have just turned around, boom, hit him one time, knocked him off his footing.
Wait, hold on, you got that corona shit?
Yeah.
What?
You got that? Come
Great.
here, Kevin, check it out.
Great psychology, yeah.
You say what? You got corona? Because I do.
No, I ain't got
Yo, what's up with this nigga, bro? Hold on, that must have been a homie or something. That nigga was tweaking. This man got it for breeze.
Nigga got corona in his ass.
No. Oh, you better leave this nigga alone, bro. Is he listening to NLE? And this nigga big too, bro. Oh, now he listening to YB. Hey, bro, you better leave him alone, bro. That nigga, you gonna be pulling up. That nigga gonna grab you like right on the side of you, like choke your, pull you on the side, and be like, "What's up, bro?" You know what I'm saying? He look like my boy, big boy. He be using the playground too, the exercise. I mean, I see him do it, but you know that's how you know it's the hood, though, for real. And they got a basketball court next to a what's it called store.
Hey, I got corona. Hold on.
What you got going on?
Doing pull-ups.
Better chill out, partner.
Fuck around here when you coughing and sneezing and shit. What's wrong? What you got going on?
I got corona.
Bitch, you need to quarantine. What the fuck you got going on?
Quarantine?
Yeah.
That nigga say he need
You need to be
quarantine.
at the hospital or something. You gotta get from around here.
Yeah. I like his dreads. Oh, I told you. I said this nigga's gonna grab him from the side, from the back, from front, and jack him up, bro. What did I tell you, nigga? I'm like dang near like a psychic or something, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, what did they call it? Clairvoyant or whatever. You know what I'm saying? I seen that happen. I was like, he looked like the type of dude to do that. He jacked him up right by the sides, dude. It's crazy.
You at the hospital or something. You gotta get from around here.
I like his dreads, bro. See? Told you.
I got.
Oh, he got him. It look like he got him. About to sock your boy. Oh, no, they got the dog. They got the 2 pit bulls, too. Homie about to let the dogs off on you. You gotta sick him. Oh, snap. He better step. Oh! He about to put him inside the gate. Nah, this nigga digging in his pants. Nah, that's crazy. Yo, he's like, that nigga took a one large back there. You know what I'm saying? Pulled his whole damn back half of the pants off, man. That joint crazy. I know that nigga like, what? Like, what you doing, bro? Look, he pulled them joints all the way down. Nigga digging in his ass. I'm childish, bro. I'm sorry.
Nigga, hold on.
Yeah, he dropped it.
I'm
Oh,
talking about the
okay.
motherfucking drink, nigga.
What's up? It's for me?
No.
Yeah. Yo, this nigga got like a 12 pack, 10 pack or some shit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, yeah, no, pause. Nah, that's a little suck. Nah, I've been working out a little bit recently, so I'm just trying to make sure, you know what I'm saying? But nah, that nigga looking strong, boy. He said this for me.
Big buddy ass, boy. I ain't got no damn virus. Looking like Larry Fitzgerald and shit.
Larry Fitzgerald. You better be quiet, boy. Oh, snap. That happened from that nigga
I'm a
dropping.
soldier, nigga. Stop playing. It's just a little scratch. Come on. Next clip. Let's slide.
Said next clip. Alright. That nigga was big, boy. You got that Rona?
Huh?
Look at her face.
Are you selling stuff? Yeah. What you got?
Look at her. She's disgusting.
I got pickles, mango. Hey, bro, step back, please.
What you mean?
You got that Rona, bro. Step back.
Hold on.
Yeah, bro. Hold on, bro. You gotta step back. Where's my white set, man?
Ah, damn.
Cuz, can you step back? Cuz I said fruit tip. Come on, cuz. Hey. I'm close.
She said she
I can't buy
closed.
Yeah, I'm close, bro. I'm close.
Dang,
got
bruh.
Corona, it ain't
She
that
just trying to
serious.
make a little bit of change, you know what I'm saying? To last for the week or something, you know what I'm saying? With a little bit of juice, a little bit of fruits, a little chips or something, some pickles. Just them red joints. I don't like them red pickles or something, or red eggs or whatever they be having in them. I don't like them. But you know what I'm saying? They got a little bit of pickles and some juice, some lemon juice and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Maybe a little bit of lemonade when they turn around 6 o'clock or
Cuz,
something.
I'm close, cuz. Can you please step
She
back?
said, I'm
cuz?
cold, cuz.
I can't get
Nah.
Ah, dang.
Take everything.
Yo, she said take everything. Oh man, this nigga done jacked her. She don't even know it.
Take everything.
Take everything.
Hurry up.
But it's handsome.
You got that shit. You got it. Bye.
Damn. Nigga got off on it.
No.
Nigga
All
got.
of it, cuz.
Hey, you ain't look. Corona, I forgot. It was like a little sheet or whatever. It told me like how long the bacteria actually lasts on the stuff. You could just wait out like 30 minutes. The bacteria should be gone. You'd be straight.
Take all this shit, man.
She said take all the junk.
Y'all got rolling shit, man. Now I got to go to the house for 14 days. Hey, don't take the cookie. Don't take the cookie.
said, don't take the picture. He said, bye-bye. Ah! Yo! I feel bad. I ain't gonna lie a little bit. Damn. They didn't see him pull out the thing?
You the same one from Balesico.
What?
What it do, mama? Boy, you never know who you might find in the hood. Boy, what it do, Balesico? What's your name, Shema? You look like Shema. What's your name?
Shema.
What, huh?
Balexico.
Birds. Supposed to be playing football. You got these tight ass pants on like you about to ride a skateboard.
Ah! Yo, they. Oh, snap. Only in the hood, bro.
Boy, only in the hood, boy. Only
What happened?
in the hood, boy.
Hey, what happened, bro? They got
Hey,
one
Pale,
more.
what you doing, Pale?
Pale.
Tripping, folks.
Bro, nigga, this smudge on your camera is tweaking with me, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You gotta get that.
Hey, man, you got $1? Anything like that? Like a, you ain't got no change on you, nothing like that?
Bro.
What you mean?
He about to fold you, bro. Look at his stance.
I'm just.
He about to fold you, bro. He leaning back.
What is you doing?
His legs pointing forward.
You got $1.
He about to fold you, dog.
I just got corona. That's
I can tell.
Said what?
See, he pulling his pants, so he about to fold you, cuz.
Said what?
I told you. Yo, nigga pulled out a what? A branch, bro? A tree? What's it called? Palm tree branch, bro? What this nigga?
What you mean?
He thought he was about to do with that. You better off using your hands, big dog. So he put it down. He realized it.
Stupid.
I was just talking about the drink.
Drink. Camera right there, boy.
Oh! He said, camera right there, boy. Hey, man, that was a fire video by smoothgio, man. Y'all let me know down below in the comments, man, what y'all thought about that one. If you want to see more content like this, definitely go ahead and like the video, man, because that's the number one way y'all let me know what y'all like to see from me, man. Y'all definitely like the video if you want to see. Oh, snap. Oh, my Lord. Y'all seen that thumbnail. Anyways. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Definitely shout out to smoothgio if you haven't already. Go to his channel. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on notifications when we post. Come back over here, do the same thing. Follow me on Twitch, follow me on YouTube. You can also follow me on Instagram at LeroyCecil saying YouTube channel. That be said, peace.